Right flank, punch.
So what's happening here is the National Cadet Competition for Civil Air Patrol. 16 teams, comprised of 6 cadets apiece, so 96 in total. Competing throughout various events throughout the weekend to compete for basically the #1 spot in the nation for color guard teams. So they are the best of the best people of these events that are competing for the national title.
I think we did pretty well. We had a few rough practices, but we really pulled it together at the end.
We've made friends with a lot of the different states, and so that's been awesome. So I want to take home some of those friendships and just many lessons learned with how we speak, how we perform, and just how we present ourselves in general.
I've had a great time. The food's been good, the housing's fun. We've had a lot of fun walking around the campus, exploring the tunnels. The tunnels are pretty cool. It's really cool to meet people that came all the way from Alaska and Puerto Rico. Like they came super far from all over, and we're all coming together here to do the exact same competition, and I think that's really cool.
Wright Hall is where we have our command posts, where we have classrooms, where we kind of do more of the testing aspects of stuff. And then we also use the student union, the gym. But it really works well here because there's so many individual spaces that we can use for our teams.
Who has been in the Cadet program for more than a year?
It's just been a great competition. Anybody's interested, I highly recommend it. A great way to build friendships, build yourself as a person.
The prize is a really big trophy, and it's the title of like the National Color Guard Competition team.
Right down.
So they are the #1 in the nation for color guard in Civil Air Patrol.
Go left, punch.